Aw. I pressed the back button. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to press the back button.
Okay, hurting for it. Hurting.
Yeah. Look at these ducks. Look how lonely these ducks are over here.
Ah.
All the ducks are like...
Oh my god. Oh god.
I want to feed this one a gummy.
No, no.
Look at him. He's mad. He's like... He's mad. He's like, this ain't a gummy.
Oh. Oh my god, you didn't get that!
Oh! I didn't even, what'd you do? Do it again.
Oh my god!
They don't take it very gently.
Oh my god, the big ducks are coming! Go away! Okay.
Look at all the ducks. They're all coming over here just because we're feeding them. You know how mad they're going to be when we run out?
I'm mad too.
I wish we were like Jesus so we could take one fish and feed them all.
Oh, I just lost my cheetos.
Oh, wow.
You're so What are you gonna have? You like Cheetos. Oh, what is it though? Oh, they're evil. No, you're not getting any. You're evil.
Why are they evil?
They just like, okay, we're done. We're going.
Are we?